Good evening and welcome to the 2019 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Grateful Hill Primary from St. Catherine up against Montego Bay Christian Academy from St. James. I am your host, Tony K. Dawkins, and the action begins right now. Time now for section 1 of the competition, where both teams will be asked questions alternately with 10 seconds to answer and 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Montego Bay Christian Academy won. They decided to play first. This section lasts for 4 minutes. So Montego Bay Christian Academy, we begin with you in Bible knowledge. Which judge of Israel died with the Philistines when he lost his strength?
Samson.
That's right. Grateful Hill Primary Bible knowledge. In which specific part of his body was Samson's strength associated with?
In his ear.
That's right. Mobe Christian Academy science. Magnetism is the same as gravity because both forces act through layers of materials. Is this true or false?
True.
That's incorrect. It's false. Grateful Hill science. A magnet can be used to make another magnet. Is this true or false?
False.
That's incorrect. It's true. Mobe Christian Academy, it's a local affairs. It's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Shahini Robinson.
Member of Parliament, that's correct. Grateful Hill Primary, local affairs, visual for you as well. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Sarah Brown.
That's incorrect. It's Natalie Nita Headley, Member of Parliament. Mobe Christian Academy, English language. Use an appropriate pronoun to join these two sentences to make them a single sentence. I know the teacher. She lives in this house.
I know the teacher who lives in this house.
That's right. Grateful Hill, English language. Use an appropriate pronoun to join these two sentences to make them a single sentence. I used the sugar. It was in the cupboard.
I used the sugar and it was in the cupboard.
I used the sugar and it was in the cupboard.
That's incorrect. It's I used the sugar, which or that was in the cupboard. Mobe Christian Academy television, it's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify the actor.
Thomas Doherty.
That's incorrect. It's J.T. Austin. Grateful Hill television, a visual for you. Look at the monitor and identify the actor.
John Deere.
That's incorrect. It's David Henry. Mobe Christian Academy general knowledge. In which European country is the famous Louvre Museum located?
France.
That's right. Grateful Hill general knowledge. In which European country is the famous Leaning Tower of Pisa?
France.
That's incorrect. It's Italy. Mobe Christian social studies. The Akan tribe was from the Gold Coast, which is which modern day country?
Honduras.
That's incorrect. It's Ghana. Grateful Hill social studies. The Igbo or Igbo tribe was from which country on Africa's west coast?
Zimbabwe.
That's incorrect. It's Nigeria. Mobe Christian Academy music. Which international artiste recorded the single A Candle in the Wind, which was performed at the funeral of Britain's Princess Diana?
Britney Spears.
That's incorrect. It's Elton John. Grateful Hill Primary music. Which international artiste recorded the single My Heart Will Go On, which was one of the theme songs in the movie Titanic?
Selena Gomez.
That's also incorrect. The correct answer is actually the world famous Celine Dion. And that bell signifies the end of section 1. We have Montego Bay Christian Academy on 4 points, Grateful Hill Primary on 1. But before we go to the break, here's a special hint for the kids from NCB Insurance. Make sure you inform your parents of after-school activities. Do not walk home alone late in the evening. Stay with us. The Junior Challenge Face-Off is up next.